Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide Task View button from Windows 11 taskbar using Group Policy Editor. For your information, this one Task View button lets you switch between opened apps quickly on your Windows 11 PC, as well as you can quickly switch to virtual desktop in case you don't need it here at the Windows 11 taskbar. You can hide it using local group policy editor. For that, press Windows plus R on the keyboard, then type here gpedit.msc, then click on this one OK button. Once local group policy editor opens, switch to this one user configuration, then double click on this one administrative templates, then expand a start menu and taskbar. On the right sidebar of a start menu and taskbar folder, you will find a policy name that says hide the task view button. Double click on this one policy, and to hide the task view button you need to select here enabled option, and in case you want to display this one task view button you need to select this one disabled option. After that, click on this one apply and then OK button, then restart your PC once to apply the changes. And in case you have enabled the option, then task view button will be hidden from the Windows 11 taskbar, and in case you have selected this one disabled option, task view button will be appeared on this one Windows 11 taskbar. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.